Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto James. And in today's video, we're going to hear about an incredible company called Trofi, which is actually a financial institution that is registered as a US money services business. It's regulated under the US law. The beauty in this company is that you can actually earn passive income with your crypto assets that you already invest in because you believe in. So make sure to watch this video until the end in order to learn how to make some passive income from your money in a very secure place. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Trofi? So Trofi is actually a financial institution that is registered as a US money services business, and it's regulated under US law, and they comply with stringent regulations and the strictest global KYC and AML standards. Another great thing about Trofi is they have very strong security, and you can see in here that they have zero trust security approach, biometric identity verification, multi-factor authentication, security monitoring and alerting, and also privileged access management. By the way, they have user account takeover prevention, and they are secured with multi-party computations MPC technology. It's actually their top priority because, you know, the most important thing about your money that you want to know is that it's secure, and their strategic partners and industry standards are very well-known companies, as you can see in here, like QuickNote and Circle and much more. And actually, you don't need your computer in order to do that. Like, you can literally download it to your phone, whether you have an Android or an Apple. You can just download it on the App Store or in the Google Play. It's very simple to work with. If you want to actually hold your crypto, just invest in your crypto that you believe the tokens for the long term, that's great. But if you're the kind of person that loves the idea of investing in something that will increase in value, but you're not satisfied by it, but you actually want to make some passive income from projects that you already invest in, so Trofi actually provides you the possibility to earn on projects that you already investing in. So what does it mean? It's actually you can let compounding does the hard work for you. You don't do anything. You just put your money, okay, actually can earn APY, meaning yearly percentage yield. And as you can see, for different tokens, you can make up to 12% per year. Let's say that, for example, Ethereum will increase in value twice. So it's not that your fixed price will be 5.25 of the value of the US dollar versus the Ethereum that was before, but it's actually 5.25% of Ethereum itself, meaning that if Ethereum worth twice, so your money that you earned actually increased as well. And of course, it's going also the other way. And as you can see on USDC and on USDT, you can earn up to 12%. Now, as you can see, there are multiple assets that you can invest and earn 10% every single year. But now, as you can see, not all the project you can invest, but the project that you can invest, you can make tens of percents every single year. As you can see in here, like XC, you can make up to 60%. On Dash, you can make 12. On Dot, you can make 11. Also, by the way, you can make 110% on Looks, okay? And all of those projects are great, but the beauty in USDC and USDT is that you can earn up to 12%, as you can see, APY. But if you are a newly sign up user, you can get an exclusive welcome offer of 30% APY in USDC and USDT. And if you want to become a new user, you can become a new user by clicking the link below this video, Trofi.group. Another great concept that is coming very soon is actually the Earn Plus. You can actually earn enhanced yield and buy and sell at better rate. Now, what is actually Earn Plus? So Earn Plus is actually a non-principal protected structured investment product that actually provides you the possibility to earn an enhanced yield compared to the regular earn rate. It's incredible because, as you can see, you can enhance yield up to 200% APY, and you can actually customize your terms based on your risk and reward preference, because, you know, a person that would like to invest $100,000 that has, let's say, full value of all your assets of $200,000, it's not like the same person that makes $100,000 every single month, because for one person it's worth different than another. So the calculations and the risks versus the reward are changing, and the risk management is one of the most important things when you're investing, whether if you're a beginner or advanced. Like, it's a no-brainer. You have to have proper risk management that actually complies with you, okay, and exactly who you are. And if you would like to learn more about crypto and that way to improve your risk management, you can watch more videos in our channel. By the way, you can also get a popular investment product that is also known as dual currency, deposit dual investment, or deposit plus. Actually, it's relatively low risks among structured investment project, and the main reason is because you have more control on the decision of which risk you're willing to take and not take. And if you would like to learn more, head over to Trofi.group, as I said, by clicking the link down below. Click on Earn Plus, and then you will be able to read much more. They also have the concept of that you can actually swap. Okay, so you can swap Solana and USDT instantly, anytime, anywhere, at zero fees, which is great because most places don't offer zero fees, of course. Now, besides the idea that it's zero fees, you can actually earn interest automatically, because you will automatically earn flexible rate on your assets after they are swapped, and that way you won't miss any income on your crypto. And another advantage is that it's instant access to swap assets, and also they have smart order routing systems. And they also offer direct swap any pair in a single trade. So actually, Trofi Exchange's sophisticated pricing engine actually provides you as a user to directly swap any asset for another in a single trade. Okay, the more it's simple, the more it's fast. You can actually use your valuable time to do other stuff, like to research more about different projects and hopefully make some more money. Now, they support over 4,560 market pairs, which is incredible. And as you can see, the well-known and the trendy projects are right in here. So let's say that, for example, you want to swap algo. So you can actually scroll up, click on swap now, and after you will sign up, you will be able to get started as you wish. Now, another great concept in Trofi is that you can actually borrow USDC at zero fees APY, meaning that you get instant approval and there is no origination fees. Okay, and besides that, there is no repayment penalty. Okay, so you can partially or fully repay the loan anytime you want without any penalty. And also, they don't have any tenor commitment, and you can easily release extra collateral at your fingertip. And also, by the way, we talked previously about the idea of risk management. You can actually easily see the risk level of all outstanding loans at a glance in the Trofi app that you can see on your phone. You can actually decide what you do and what you won't do according to your risk management strategy that works for you. Now, also, if you want to make some bucks, so you can also refer friends. So you can actually click here, and then if you will refer your friends, you will be able to earn rewards together. So, you know, like it's fun to have fun with friends, but also it's fun to make some money. How it actually works, so it's very, very simple. You just get your link, invite a friend, and you can actually earn crypto. Okay, like once a friend tops up $100 and more, you will both get $10 worth of BTC in 30 days, meaning that in 30 days you will receive 10 bucks on literally not doing anything, because the $100 is actually still yours, you know, but on the action that you made, you actually get the money. Okay, you can do that with multiple friends, of course. Okay, you're not doing it just with one. In order to invite a friend, all you need is to open a Trofi account, log in and refer a friend, and then you will be able to copy and send your unique referral URL to your friends. And there is no limit to how many friends you can do that. So think about it. If you refer, let's say 10 friends, you make around $100 after they make the actions that's needed. Also, you can always check your reward status by logging into your account, and that way, let's say there's a delay or something, so you will know what is going on and you will know when you can actually use the money. Now, one last thing that I wanted to say about the swap is that the idea of this function is rarely offered by other platforms, and it's actually allowing users to easily diversify their portfolio, because if you can swap instantly, so you can actually make more time and room to do other stuff, to make another research, to make more swaps, to read more details about different projects, or to, I don't know, watch more of our videos, and that way to learn much more about crypto and hopefully make better decisions to invest with from anywhere at any time. So for summary, if you want to have your getaway to crypto wealth management products and services, make sure to go to Trofi.group by clicking the link down below. You will be able to swap and earn over 100 crypto assets. So make sure to check it out. Also download the app to your phone, and that way you will be able to see it from anywhere, anytime. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.